yeah, I usually hate eating stuff with spices on it.
Hello, Lizzie, how are you? I am fine. Kathy, where are you going? I feel in my spirit that you are in danger. Kathy is fine. You can go with
No, I
Lizzie.
don't
I'll
feel
get the gift
well.
myself.
I think I need to try.
Tired of bad hair days every day? Try this hair mask.
Something's
It makes
wrong
it
with
easy and
me
quick to style
today.
your hair. Most importantly, it nourishes your strands, leaving your hair silky
Okay,
smooth,
guys,
so you can enjoy salon quality results at home. There's
I'm
also a
not
discount right
feeling
now.
here
Click the link below
and
to buy.
I'm weirdly hungry, but the stuff I like I don't want to eat. But I feel like I'm eating it like crazy.
Tired of bad hair days every
See you later with any updates.